Okay, para sa benefit na lahat, wala pong mababago doon sa content. If you are doing it or answering it, so if you're doing it, papalitan lang po yung title. Title naman ang hindi siya nagamit. Okay? And with that, sorry, konting patay na po, no? So, I will
the processing that they did, particularly on the conduct of this activity, was so important for you as inputs as you will be planning your own activities. I'm sorry, but I noted that, and congratulations, binitawan nyo ang mga cellphones nyo. Kasi I was looking at you, hindi naman lahat. Your attention was more on your cell phones, was probably palang ginagawa nyo. But mga anak ko, because you're undergoing a training that's going to prepare you to be chief trainers, you've got to pay attention. Because it's not all the time that we've got people from the National Academy, Educators Academy, who would provide you all this information, who would provide you all this guidance and direction, so that hindi lang FSL ang pinag-uusapan natin. Even in any training that you're going to conduct in your respective areas, hindi na kailangan isasaunin natin ang mga yung pag-usasapusin.
to please rise and recite our pledge of commitment as an evident demonstration that we truly accept the challenge. Please repeat after me.
Your region. So you are bearing the name of your region when you are here in Cebu. So when you go back to your respective regions, you are expected to organize the same training program for our receiving teachers. Take note, even our expert teachers, many of them do not know how to do Filipino sign language. So as Ma'am Laila said earlier, we need to also look at our colleagues in the special education to make sure that all SPED teachers are sign language teachers. That's the first consideration that we have to look into. And second, by the way, all staff arrows are already downloaded, or we have already downloaded files to your region for your regional training on FSL. So the first